Away they go. Boda Creme from the outside is Bright Olympian Sibasib. Moving up in for Channel Under, running by the fifth Bondi Babe, asking right, and Valiantly is running at the tail of the field. Bright Olympian for A by about 3 lengths, followed by C Basib in second. Boda Creme racing third from the outside. Fourth is Channel Under, asking right, racing fifth by the rallies Bondi Babe and Valiantly. Inside the last 600, Bright Olympian by about 5 lengths now, followed now by Boda Creme, Sibasip, Channel Under. Rushing up is asking right, Bondi Baby sneaking by the round Valiantly. As they raise the last 500, it's still Bright Olympian is still hanging to that 5 lengths lead, followed now by Asking Right, and moving up by the Rallies Bondi Babe on the further outside, rushing up Valiantly, and ring the last 150 meters more to run. The favorite for A Bright Olympian by about 7, and nearing the finish line, Bright Olympian for A. Second, Valiantly, Asking Right, Channel Under, Bondi Babe, Sibasi, Boda Creme to complete the arrival.